The 2009 Porsche 911. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 30,000 kilometers. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Porsche prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Porsche also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.